Wait, stop for a second. What if I told you a new executive order could directly affect your bank account, your money, and even your future payments? Yes, this is real. And if you are receiving Social Security, pension, or any government benefit, you need to hear this today. Because many people are confused, some are even scared, and others don't even know what's coming next. So please stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I will explain everything in simple words: what this order means, who it affects, when changes could happen, and most importantly, why you should do right now. Now listen carefully. Recently, there has been a major executive order related to financial monitoring and government payments. This order is designed to increase control, security, and tracking of funds moving through bank accounts. Sounds normal, right? But here's where things get serious. This order allows more oversight on how government benefits like Social Security, disability payments, and pensions are sent and monitored. That means your bank account activity could now be more closely watched, especially if you are receiving federal payments. Now don't panic, this does not mean your money will be taken away. But it does mean changes are happening behind the scenes. And if you don't understand them, you could miss payments, face delays, or even have your account flagged. Let me explain this step by step. First, what exactly is this update? The executive order focuses on improving digital payment systems, reducing fraud, and making sure benefits go to the right people. That sounds helpful. And honestly, it is. But there's another side to this. With more control comes more rules. And with more rules comes more responsibility for you. Importantupdate. If you receive benefits like Social Security, SSIS, DIR pension payments, your account must now meet stricter verification requirements. This means your bank account must be correctly linked, your personal details must match government records, and your identity must be verified properly. If something doesn't match, your payment could be delayed. Yes, even a small mistake, like a wrong name spelling, can cause problems. Now let me give you a simple example. Imagine this. John is a retired worker. He receives Social Security every month. One day, he changes his bank account but forgets to update his information properly. Now, under this new system, his payment gets flagged. Instead of receiving money on time, his payment is delayed for weeks. And during that time, he struggles to pay bills. This is exactly why you must stay alert. Now you might be thinking, am I eligible? Does this affect me? The answer is simple. If you receive ANY, government payment through a bank account, this applies to you. That includes retired seniors, disabled individuals, low-income support recipients, veterans, and pensioners. So yes, this affects millions of people. WARNING. Another important part of this order is fraud detection. The government is now using advanced systems to track unusual activity. So if your account shows something unusual like sudden large deposits, mismatched identity, or multiple accounts, it could trigger a review. Again, this is for safety. But it can also cause delays if not handled properly. Now, let's talk about payment dates. Right now, regular payment schedules are still active. That means Social Security payments are still sent based on your birth date. SSI payments are usually sent at the beginning of the month. SSDI follows its normal schedule. However, due to these new verification systems, some people may experience slight delays, especially if their information needs review. So, if your payment is late, don't panic immediately. First, check your account details. Make sure everything is correct. Now, here comes the most important part: How can YOU protect your money and make sure you keep receiving your benefits without any problem? Let me give you simple steps. Step 1. Check your bank account information. Make sure your name, account number, and routing details are 100% correct. Step 2. Update your details if anything has changed. If you moved, changed banks, or updated your name, inform the authorities immediately. Step 3. Verify your identity. Some people may receive notices asking them to confirm their identity. Do not ignore these messages. Respond quickly. Step 4. Avoid suspicious transactions. Keep your account clean and simple. Don't allow unknown deposits or strange activity. Step 5. Stay informed. Rules can change anytime, and those who stay updated stay safe. Now let me share another real-life situation. Mary is a senior citizen living alone. She depends on her monthly SSI payment. One day, she receives a notice asking her to verify her identity. She ignores it, thinking it's not important. Next month, her payment is paused. She panics, calls support, and after a long process, her payments are restored. But she lost valuable time and faced stress. You don't want that. So please take these updates seriously. IMPORTANT. Some people are asking, can the government freeze my account? The answer is not directly without reason. But if there is suspicious activity, fraud concern, or identity mismatch, your account or payments can be temporarily restricted. That's why keeping your records clean is very important. Now, let's clear another confusion. This order is not meant to harm you. It is meant to protect the system. But sometimes, even good systems create problems for people who are not prepared. And that's why I'm making this video to help you stay ahead. Because when it comes to your money, you can't afford mistakes. Now I want to ask you something. Have you checked your bank details recently? If not, please do it today. It takes just a few minutes, but it can save you from big trouble. Also, talk to your family members. Many seniors don't understand these changes. Help them. Guide them. Because one small mistake can stop their income. And we don't want that. Now, before I continue, if you find this information helpful, please take a second to like this video. It really helps spread this message to others who need it. And don't forget to subscribe because I bring you important updates like this every day. Now, let's go deeper. Another hidden change in this executive order is the push toward digital payments. The government wants fewer paper checks and more direct deposits. That means, if you are still receiving paper checks, you may soon be asked to switch to a bank account. This is faster, safer, and easier to track. But again, you must ensure your bank details are correct. Now imagine this. A person continues using paper checks. Due to new policies, their payment is delayed during the transition. But someone with direct deposit receives money instantly. So if you haven't switched yet, this might be the right time. WARNING. Scammers are also taking advantage of this situation. They may call you, message you, or send fake emails claiming to verify your account. DONT. Share your personal details with anyone. The government will NEVER ask for sensitive information through random calls or messages. Stay alert. Protect yourself. Now let's quickly summarize everything. There is a new executive order affecting financial monitoring. It impacts people receiving government benefits. Verification rules are stricter now. Payment schedules remain mostly the same, but delays can happen if information is incorrect. And you must take action to protect your money. Simple but very important. Now here's what I want you to do right after this video ends. Check your bank account. Confirm your personal details. Stay alert for official messages. And never ignore verification requests. These small steps can protect your income and your peace of mind. Before I go, I want to say this. Your money matters. Your benefits matter. And your security matters. Don't ignore these changes. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every comment, and I try to help as many people as I can. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe so more people can stay informed. Because the truth is, in times like these, information is power. And the people who act early are the ones who stay protected. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next update.